What makes a vacuum sewer valve pit industry-leading? Introducing the world's most advanced vacuum sewer valve pit. Delivered fully assembled, pre-tested, and ready for installation. Designed to save contractors time, reduce risk, and ensure long-term success for municipalities and engineers alike. Traditional vacuum valve pits require complex assembly in the field, introducing alignment issues, inconsistent performance, and unnecessary labor. Flovac eliminates that uncertainty. Every Flovac valve pit is factory assembled, aligned, and performance tested before it ever reaches site. What arrives is not a kit, it's a complete engineered system. With near 360-degree lateral connectivity, the Flovac pit adapts to real-world site conditions, reducing trenching, minimizing fittings, and accelerating installation. An elevated 6-inch air terminal provides additional flexibility without compromising hydraulic performance. Inside the pit, precision matters. The integrated 3-inch vacuum lateral ensures perfect alignment, eliminating field guesswork and preventing common installation failures. Every component is positioned to ensure consistent valve performance over its entire design life. At the core is the Flovac vacuum interface valve and controller, each backed by a 10-year warranty and engineered for a 50-year design life. Operators benefit from a built-in 8-inch inspection and cleanout hatch, featuring a full 8-inch clear opening for ease of access. No tools are required for removal or inspection, making routine maintenance faster, safer, and more efficient. Each pit is digitally enabled with serial tracking and integrated QR codes, providing instant access to commissioning, installation, and startup procedures. Pre-installed monitoring conduit ensures seamless integration with modern telemetry systems. The pit is traffic rated to AASHTOM 306 standards with a safety factor of 2, setting a new benchmark in structural integrity. Factory sealed lid configurations keep the valve pit dry, protecting your asset throughout its service life. During installation, the sealed system also prevents debris ingress, allowing contractors to set elevation directly and install with confidence. Integrated lifting points enable safe, efficient placement on site. For installations in trafficable or high-risk areas, remote-mounted controller options keep operators out of harm's way, maintaining full functionality while prioritizing safety during servicing and operation. Field-adjustable incremental riser options provide additional flexibility during installation, designed to interface with polyethylene or traffic-rated lids. These risers allow the system to adapt to varying site elevations. When extended, the valve assembly can be raised into the riser, allowing maintenance to be performed from a safe, kneeling position. No field assembly, no alignment guesswork, no installation variability. This is not just a valve pit. It's a complete, engineered solution. Flovac is setting the global standard for vacuum sewer systems and redefining what industry-leading truly means.